Pineapple is largely enjoyed for its sweet and delicious taste and ability to add flavor to many recipes and smoothies. Even more, this tropical fruit is incredibly nutrient dense and can provide us with many different health benefits. In fact, its unique compounds and nutrients has made pineapple long been used as a natural remedy to treat a number of different ailments. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of eating pineapple regularly. First, as already mentioned, pineapples are incredibly nutrient dense and contain good levels of many different types of vitamins, minerals, and other important nutrients. More specifically, pineapples contain high levels of vitamin C, manganese, riboflavin, vitamin B6, magnesium, and copper, to name a few. They are also good sources of dietary fiber and low in fat. Just be sure to eat them in moderation to keep carb and sugar intake low. Surprising to some, but regular consumption of pineapple can actually be very beneficial for the overall health of our heart and protect against cardiovascular disease. They contain heart-healthy minerals such as potassium, vitamin C, and fiber. As well, some studies suggest that pineapples and pineapple juice can help with reducing the risk of coronary heart disease. The potassium found in pineapples can be especially beneficial for our heart, as it can help to lower high blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. If that wasn't enough, pineapples also contain antioxidants and a powerful compound known as bromelain that can promote heart health. Pineapple can also help to improve digestion and promote the health of our digestive tract. This is attributed to its ability to help break down proteins into amino acids and peptides, which aids in digestion. As well, pineapple can help to treat certain digestive ailments, such as acid reflux, and promote the overall digestive process. Again, the compound bromelain can also be helpful in this regard. Regular consumption of pineapple can also help to reduce inflammation throughout the entire body. This makes it helpful for those individuals who are not only suffering from joint pain, but also from symptoms of arthritis. The compound bromelain in pineapple can help to reduce inflammation by blocking certain metabolites in the body that cause swelling and pain. As well, pineapples contain many types of antioxidants and is very high in vitamin C, which work to reduce free radicals in the body and help prevent oxidative stress and damage. Lastly, consuming pineapple regularly can help to boost the overall health of our immune system and reduce the risk and symptoms of certain diseases, such as common cold and flu. This is largely attributed to the wonderful antioxidant compounds pineapple contains, especially its high amounts of vitamin C. Vitamin C plays a vital and important role in maintaining the overall health of our body's connective tissue, as well as the health of our immune system. It can also help eliminate inflammation that can lead to certain diseases, such as heart disease. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.